Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by validating essentials so nothing blocks streaming. Make sure your Apple Music account is signed in on your iPhone and both devices share the same Wi-Fi network. This is crucial because AirPlay uses local network discovery. Once done, open your Roku settings and enable AirPlay and HomeKit. Roku won't appear otherwise. Then unlock your iPhone, swipe to Control Center, and prepare the screen mirroring /AirPlay control so you can select the Roku device in the next step. You now connect. In Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring or the AirPlay icon, then choose the Roku device name that appears. Once connected, open Apple Music, start a track or playlist, and explicitly choose AirPlay as the output in the player controls if it doesn't switch automatically. You control volume from either the iPhone or the TV remote. However, using Roku's remote gives steadier system volume. This happens because AirPlay streams audio directly to Roku, preserving quality and avoiding Bluetooth compression. You finish by stopping AirPlay when done. Tap the AirPlay icon on your iPhone and deselect the Roku, or simply press Home on the Roku remote to end the session. Use your phone's lock screen controls or Control Center for quick play, pause, and skip while the stream runs, because those controls send remote commands to the Roku. If audio fails or Roku doesn't show up, restart both devices. Verify they share the same network and that AirPlay is enabled. That single troubleshooting step fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.